How to implement an ordered, default dict. I would like to combine order_edict and default dict from collections in one object, which shall be an ordered, default dict. Is this possible?
The following, using a modified version of this recipe, works for me.
Here is another possibility, inspired by Raymond Hettinger's super-considered super, tested on Python 2.7.x and 3.4.x. If you check out the class's row, aka help order_default_dict, you'll see this. Meaning that when an instance of order_default_dict is initialized, it defers to the order_edicts in it, but this one in turn will call the default_dicts methods before calling _built-in_dot_dict, which is precisely what we want.
If you want a simple solution that doesn't require a class, you can just use order_edict.setDefaultKey, default equals none, or order_edict.getKey, default equals none. If you only get set from a few places, say in a loop, you can easily just set default. It is even easier for lists with set default. But if you use it more than a few times, it is probably better to set up a class, like in the other answers.
Here's another solution to think about if your use case is simple like mine and you don't necessarily want to add the complexity of a default order_edict class implementation to your code. None is my desired default value. Note that this solution won't work if one of your requirements is to dynamically insert new keys with the default value. A trade-off of simplicity. Update March 13, 2017. I learned of a convenience function for this use case. Same as above, but you can omit the line items equals ... and just output. And if your keys are single characters, you can just pass one string. This has the same output as the two examples above. You can also pass the default value as the second arg to order_edict.fromKeys ...